Hello guys, how do you? Finally, we the hands-on video of the Note 20 Ultra first and all devices which launch at the Unpacked event that include Note 20 lineup, Galaxy Z Fold 2, Galaxy Buds Live, Galaxy Watch 3 and the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus. First we talk about the Note 20 Ultra. The look is very beautiful with the matte finish, the more features on the S Pen, the more camera functions, a bigger display, the best processor chip Snapdragon 865 Plus, smaller camera punch hole and smaller bezels, all-day battery life. It has the 120Hz Alto 6.9-inch display, the best display in the world, so you get the best viewing experience. It is 25% more brighter than the S20 Ultra and it is thinner than the last year Note 10 Plus, so it feels good when it comes to hand. It has the best specs right now in any other smartphone. It has no focusing issue unlike the Note 20 Ultra has. It can record 120 frames per second at 1080p. You can also record 8K video. You can set aspect ratio 21:9 which give you the cinematic viewing experience. It's good for the movies to make. It has 5x optical zoom and total of 50x space zoom. Samsung partner with the Xbox games, so the Note 20 family has 100 plus already install stream games. For playing those games you just need a controller and play your games. You can also connect DeX wireless and you can use your phone as a mouse. A very cool feature of the S Pen: while taking note, the S Pen records the audio. And it has the latency of 9 milliseconds than the last year which has latency of 42 milliseconds, which is a big update. Now talk about the Galaxy Z Fold 2 has a hug upgrade. The camera hump is same like the Note 20 Ultra but the specs are same. The S20 Ultra Samsung uses the punch hole camera at both display to ditch the notch at inside display. The size of outside display is 6.1 and the inside is 7.6, and Samsung uses the 120Hz display at the bigger display. Let's talk about the Galaxy Watch 3. It is more similar to the Active 2. It has features like it measures the level of oxygen and also check your blood pressure. It also has features like audio into text messages, measures your heart rate and has rotating bezels. When talk about the Galaxy Buds Live, it looks like the bean shape and easily fit in the ears. The most interesting feature of the Galaxy Buds Live, it has the active noise cancelling feature which lacks the previous earbuds. The sound quality is extremely excellent and the best earbuds in the world right now. Now the Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus are the best tablet that have ever realized. The Tab S7 Plus has Super AMOLED 12.4-inch screen with 120Hz display. It has dual camera feature and has a huge 10,090 mAh battery with super fast 45-watt charger. It uses the Snapdragon 865 Plus chip which boosts its performance. Subscribe my channel for latest update.